Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to break down the word conundrum. You've probably heard it before, but what exactly does it mean? And how can you use it in real life? Let's dive in. So, what is a conundrum? A conundrum is a tricky, complex, or confusing problem. It's not just any problem, it's one that's hard to solve, often because there's no clear or easy solution. Think of it like a mental puzzle that's tough to crack. You're left scratching your head trying to figure it out. Now, where did this word come from? The term conundrum dates back to the late 1500s. It originally started as playful slang in university settings, but over time it evolved to mean any tough problem or situation that's difficult to solve. Isn't it fascinating how words change over time? Let's look at a few examples to make it clearer. Imagine a personal dilemma. Choosing between two amazing job offers is a real conundrum. Both positions offer great opportunities, but I can't decide which one is the better fit for me. This is a conundrum because you have two great choices, and deciding between them is tough. Or how about a moral dilemma? The conundrum of whether to report a mistake that could cost someone their job is weighing on me. Here, the conundrum is a difficult ethical decision with no clear right or wrong answer. It really puts you in a tight spot. Finally, think about a logical puzzle. The conundrum of how to get a car out of a muddy field without any tools is a real challenge. This example shows how a conundrum can be a tricky problem that requires creative thinking to solve. So, why should you use the word conundrum instead of just saying problem? Well, it adds a little sophistication and flair. A conundrum sounds more interesting than saying you're just facing a difficult problem. It's a great way to express how complex or puzzling the issue really is. Now let's clear up the confusion between conundrum, dilemma, and quandary. A conundrum is a complex or confusing problem that doesn't have an easy solution. A dilemma is a situation where you're forced to choose between two or more options, often with moral or ethical consequences. And a quandary is simply a state of uncertainty or confusion about what to do next. So, while all three refer to difficult situations, each word has its own unique twist. And here, a fun fact, did you know that the word conundrum is often used in trivia or as a playful way to describe tricky questions? It's perfect for adding some drama to your everyday language. And that's a wrap on today's word breakdown. The next time you're facing a tough, confusing problem, you'll know exactly what to call it a conundrum. Be sure to hit like, comment below if you've ever had a real-life conundrum, and subscribe for more word explorations. See you in the next video. Bye!